Gently touch, full of spell, blinding you into another, sneaking around, hunt and prey to find me another lover. Behind closed doors, an empty space, we're in a secret loving.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. It's lovely that you've stopped to watch one of my videos. I'm so grateful for having you here. So it was absolutely scorching the day that I filmed this video. Even editing this video is making me feel hot because it was so warm. It was around 30 degrees in Liverpool, so the washing took 5 minutes to dry on the washing line. Although it looks overcast, it was super warm. So it's not a very deep clean that I do in this video. It's just a nice once over to make everything look all nice. So I really do hope that this video motivates you and inspires you to get your clean on and you clean along with me. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it if you give it a thumbs up just to let me know that you're enjoying it, and you can always leave me a comment down below and I will always get back to you, as you know. But yeah, let's get stuck into a nice quick speed clean.
Any other, I'm a lonely heart feline. I take what's mine, then I leave behind. I'm a lonely heart feline.
I take what's mine, then I leave behind.
Last night we had the worst thunderstorm ever, and obviously all the windows were open, so all the shutters got very dirty. So when I was cleaning the shutters on that window, I was like, oh my gosh, there was just rain splashes all over them, so they needed a deep clean.
When I'm not sure that I can tell much more. Heart feline. I take what's mine, then I leave behind. I'm a lonely heart feline. I take what's mine, then I leave behind. I'm a lonely heart feline. I take what's mine, then I leave behind. I'm a lonely heart feline.
I take what's mine, then I leave behind.
I just done a quick spot clean on the floor, as you can see there, because I'd spilled some bronzer onto the floor. It had spilt out of the compact, so I just done a little quick spot clean. There was no way I was going to bring the power glide up and start cleaning the floors upstairs. And not only that, these floors don't get dirty because 9 times out of 10 we're in our flip-flops, which we only wear in the house, or we're in barefoot. So these floors upstairs really don't get dirty. The dogs don't go upstairs in my house, so I don't have to worry about any paw prints on the floors. I get so many questions over my Dyson Animal V8 vacuum, and I have to say it's an amazing vacuum cleaner. Mine's just a little over 2 years old, so the battery charge doesn't last as long on mine when I have it on full power, but if I just use it on the minimum power rather than maximum power, it lasts really, really well. So I can do the entire house, but I do prefer to use it on high power. So for that reason, I am looking for a new vacuum, but only because I can't do an entire house clean anymore with my vacuum on high power. And this is another thing that I get asked all the time. Why do I take the drawer out of the washing machine to put in the fabric softener? It's because my washing machine is in a housing unit, as you can see, and I've got no way of pulling the drawer out and being able to tip the fabric softener in. So I take it out completely, fill it up, make a mess, tidy the mess, and that's how I have to do it. So in the future, I am looking to take the washing machine and the tumble dryer out of the housing unit in the utility room.
For the first time in years, got my feet crossed the border from a land of tears. Ain't no way I'm going back under. Got my eyes in the wild blue yonder. Will lies beyond the horizon? Let's go find out. Feeling free to live my life, free to grow
really hope that you've enjoyed today's little speed clean. It was absolutely roasting hot, so it wasn't a deep clean like I would usually do, but I really do hope that it's motivated you and inspired you. And in a couple of seconds you will see the products that I have used in today's cleaning video. The tincture all-purpose cleaner, it wasn't really my cup of tea, to be honest. It left a lot of smears and it also was hard to spray the bottle, but I love my new little timer, which I purchased on Amazon, and you can set it to any time you want to basically have a quick clean. I set it onto a 15-minute for upstairs and a 15-minute for downstairs, and it was perfect. And then Ollie tried to flip the bottle for me because I just couldn't do that bottle. But I really hope that you've enjoyed today's video. I would love it if you subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to leave me some comments down below and like this video, and I will see you all in my next one.